Hello everyone, welcome to today's session in Concept. Today we will be learning about a strategy that will help you out in scalping in the first session, or you can say at the starting of the market, right? But before that, if you're new here, you can go in the description. There is a link below. With the help of that, you can download and install Concept web application. After successful registration, you will get some free tools in the application that will help you out in your trading. Okay, now there is one more feature, that is the video library. So in video library we have made multiple videos for you, and these videos are available in multiple languages like English, Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi and Tamil as well. So you can set your preference and watch these videos in your meantime, right? At any point of time, if you guys are having any kinds of doubts or query, so you can directly go on the support, and here you will get our contact number and email ID, so you can contact us and we will be there to sort your queries out, right? So let's start today's session, that is how you can do scalping in the starting of the market, right? So for that you have to see one thing, right? And this strategy will be applicable for indices, right? You can do it in Nifty and Bank Nifty as well, right? Why? Because there is so much liquidity in Bank Nifty and Nifty that you will not find in the stocks. Okay, so that is why we are applying this strategy in indices. Okay, now first of all, what you have to look for at the starting of the market, you have to set your time frame at 15 minutes. Okay, so your time frame should be of 15 minutes. So if the market is starting at 9:15, so we will start doing trading at 9:30 when my candle will be completed. Okay, so if my candle is green, for example, my candle and it closes at green, right? So there is one thing that you have to take care of, your opening of the candle. Okay, your opening of the candle, it should be equal to the low of the candle. Okay, it should be equal to low of the candle. It means your candle or your price started from this position, but it did not go in the lower side, it did not make any you can say low point here. Okay, and then again started moving in the upward direction, right? So your open and low are equal, right? Similarly, if I will analyze this type of candle, right? So what happens here? The price opened here, the price opened at this point of time, then started moving in the downward direction and then started moving in the upward direction. So I don't want this condition. Okay, I want this condition when the candle opened and the price started moving in the upward direction, and in which time frame? The time frame will be the 15-minute time frame, right? I hope this is clear, right? So whenever this type of green candle will be formed in which the open and the low is closed, at that time I will do scalping, okay, in Bank Nifty or Nifty, right? But in which direction? In the bullish direction. So at that time I will trade in the bullish direction. So in the bullish direction I will buy a call option, right? So I am buying here a call option, right? I hope this is clear. Okay, now similarly, if there is in 15-minute time frame, if there is a candle and that candle is red, okay, there may be some time when your market in 15 minutes the candle will be red. So in that point of time I will be doing trading, I will be doing my trading or scalping, you can say, in the bearish direction. But what are the conditions? The conditions are, first of all, the time frame should be in 15 minutes. Okay, so this candle will be of 15 minutes, right? Now in this candle, your opening price, okay, your opening price, it should be equal to your higher price, right? Or you can say the high of that candle, right? It means if there are two kinds of candle, the first one is this and the second one is this. So in this one, your price opened at this point and then it did not go above further but directly comes down, right? In this type of candle I can see my price opened here, then it moved in the upward direction and then started moving in the downward direction. So my open is not equals to my high, you can say, right? Because this is my open and this is my high, right? But in this candle I can say my high and my opening price are same. So it means I have to analyze this type of candle in 15-minute time frame, and whenever I will get this type of candle, at that point of time I will start my scalping. Okay, I hope the concept is clear. What are the conditions and when you have to trade in the bullish direction and when you have to trade in the bearish direction. Now when I'm going for the bearish direction, so obviously I will buy a put option here. right? So we are doing all this analysis in 15 minutes time frame, and when we have to take the entry in the market as a scalper, so at that time I will choose 1 minute time frame, okay? And the risk reward ratio, so if I'm talking about the risk reward ratio, the risk reward ratio can be 1:2 or more than that, right? But we will not be making unrealistic target here, so we will only be going with the 1:2 or 1:3, right? But there is one thing that you have to take care of. Just make sure the market is volatile, okay? So there is momentum in the market. If the market is in sideways or there is no momentum, then this strategy will not be working for you, right? So make sure you go and check the volatility of the market, right? How much the volatile market is, if Vega is good or not, and only at that time you will be trading with this strategy, right? You can go with the ATM price, you can go with the at the money strike price as well, right? Because this is the strike price in which you will get good volatility, or you can say the Vega is maximum at that point of time, right? So you can go with the ATM strike price when you are trading with this strategy. So I hope the concept is clear. Let's directly go in the Coincept application and we will check how we can trade with it. Okay. So I am opening Coincept application here, and here I can go in this analyze charts, trade and order, and you can see I have applied Bank Nifty here, and my time frame, I will be analyzing my Bank Nifty in 15 minutes time frame, and then I'll be taking entry in the 1 minute time frame. Okay. So you can see what I want. The first condition is I want my first 15-minute candle that starts from 9:15 to 9:30, and if it is green, so I will check if the low and the opening are close, okay? And if it is red, so I will check if my open and high are same or not, right? So let's see. So you can see in the 23rd I did not get any candle here. Okay, on the 22nd I again did not got any candle. 21 not any candle. Then you can see in the 17 as well, no, I did not get. Okay, in the 16, okay, so I got a candle in the 16th of October. So you can see in the 16th of October I got a candle here. Okay, so on this candle you can see I am analyzing this candle, right? So you can see the, let me show you. If I'll mark this candle, so you can see the opening price is 51944 and the low price is also 51944. It means my opening and low price are same, so I can trade with this candle. So what I will do, I will just mark the high of that candle, right? And high of that candle, so just a second, I will be marking the high of that candle, and after then I will trade it with 1 minute time frame, right? So this is my high of this candle, right? Just a second. This is the high of that candle. Okay, so I have marked the high of that candle. So let's change the time frame to 1 minute and then we will take the entry. So my market was of 16th of October. So let's go directly on 16th of October and then we can initiate our entry there. So I have to go on the 16th of October, right? So let's see. Just a second. 16th of October. This is the chart. Okay, this is the chart. And you can see this was my 15-minute time frame, right? I have marked the high of that candle, you can see, and whenever my market will break above it, you can see this was the 16th of market. Okay, so I have marked the high of my 15-minute candle and then I directly jumped on 1 minute time frame to take the entry. So this was my higher point, and you can see after some time my market broke it out, okay, and then you got an entry. So let's see how much point we got here. So clearly I got approximately from 52 166 to 52 240. So it means approximately I got 80 points here. Okay, so 80 points I got here, right? 80 points. So if you are trading with the ATM option prices, and in the ATM option prices, if your delta is 0.5, so approximately you will get 30 to 40 points here in this scalping trade, and that is a good scalping for me, right? Let's see some other example. And one more thing that you have to take care of, right now you can see the market was in sideways, and that is why we were not able to get the a good target here. But usually when if you are following this strategy, so it will give you a good target as well, okay, a good reward as well. Okay, so let's see again some other examples. So again I will apply a 15-minute time frame here, and in this 15-minute time frame in this 15-minute time frame, I will again analyze at which point of time in the starting of the market I am getting a good candle. So you can see in the 14th of October as well. This was my first 15-minute candle that started from 9:15 to 9:30, and I can see in this candle, you can see my opening price was 51,426 and the low is 51,426. It means the opening and the low price is also same, right? If it is same, so what you can do, you can directly, you can just plot the high of that candle. So you can plot the high of this candle. So this was my high of the candle, and then with this high I will change my time frame to 1 minute to take the entry, right? So I will change my time frame to 1 minute, and let's see the chart of 14 again. So the chart of 23, the chart of 14. Okay, I will stop on 14th of October. So this is my 14th of October, and 14th of October, 14th of October. Okay, so yeah, it is here, right? So you can see this is the chart. So I plotted, this was the high. Okay, so you can see it was got broken, and then you can see a good movement in the upward direction, and approximately in you can say in less than 5 to 10 minutes, because I am doing my scalping in 1 minute. So in less than 5 to 10 minutes I got a very good move in the upward direction. And if I'll calculate the points, so from 51,627 to approximately 51,974, so more than 300 points. And if you are going with the delta of ATM, so it will, you will get you can say approximately half of the points or range in ATM. So approximately 150 points you got in your call option if you will if you would have bought it, right? तो अगर आपको बाय किया होता तो करीबन 150 पॉइंट वहां पे मिल चुके होते, ठीक है? तो this is how this strategy will work for you, right? Just make sure whenever you are doing this strategy, you have analyzed the 15-minute time frame. Okay, just make sure the open and low are same. Let's take an example for bearish market as well, so that you will get to know what will happen when there is a red candle in the market, okay, at the starting of the your market. So at that time I'll again choose the 15-minute time frame, and now we will be analyzing a candle that is bearish. Okay, so you can see on the 11th of October, okay, on the 11th of October, okay, in Bank Nifty you will get this type of example very often in your charts. Okay, so in the 11th of October I can see a good red candle was there in the 15-minute time frame. Then in this candle, I can see my opening price is 51,897 and the high is also 51,897. It means my opening and high are same. So my first condition has been fulfilled, right? After that, what I have to do, I just have to mark the low of that candle. So this is the low of my candle. Okay, so this is the low of my candle. I have marked that, and then at any point of time when my market will break it, I will take the entry in 1 minute time frame. So I will select 1 minute time frame here. Okay, and it was, I guess it was in the 11th of October. So I will see where is the 11th of October here in the chart, and we will stop there. Okay, so this is my 11th, right? This is my 11th. You can see, so this is my 11th. We have taken the entry. Okay, so what I will do here, I will just take the entry whenever my market will break it. So you can see my market broke it down here at this point of time. The volume was also good, you can see, when it was broken, and at that time you can see a good fall in the price, and it will fall from 51,611 to 51,396. So approximately again I got 300 points here. So in the options you would have gotten 150 points if you are trading with put option of ATM strike price, right? So this is how you can take the entry in as a scalper, and you can trade within 15 to 20 minutes at the starting of the market, and you will get some good movement, you will get some good profit, right, in your portfolio at the very starting, or you can say in the first session of the market, right? So this is one of the strategy that you can use if you are a scalper. So you have to analyze the chart in 15 minutes, and then you can take trade in 1 minute. But this strategy is only applicable for indices because of good volatility in the market, right? So I hope you got to know the new concept today, right? And अगर आपको concept पसंद आए, you can like the video, you can share it with your friends as well, you can share your views in the comment section. Thank you so much guys. This is your trainer Ankit Singh Rawat. Have a good day.